Good morning students, welcome to chemistry online class. 15th chapter Air Around Us is finished. So let us discuss exercise question answers. I think it's a simple chapter, isn't it? Okay, let's start. First question, what is the composition of air? Air is a mixture of gases. It mainly contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and small amount of carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen, etc. Besides these gases, air also contains water vapor, smoke and dust particles. Second question, which gas in the atmosphere is essential for respiration? Answer, oxygen. Third, how will you prove that air supports burning? We can prove it by a simple activity. Take two candles of same length and this burning candle fixed on a table. One of the burning candle is covered with inverted glass jar. And observe carefully. After some time, you must have seen the candle got extinguished. Which one is covered with glass jar? The other one continued burning. What's the reason? In the case of the candle covered with glass jar, here the supply of air or the supply of oxygen is limited. But in the other case, the air is continued to supply. So, the candle with inverted glass jar got extinguished due to limited supply of air. Fourth question, how will you show that air is dissolved in water? It's also proved by simple activity. Take some water in a metal container and heat it. Before beginning to boil, you can see that the tiny bubbles appear inside the surface of container. What's the reason? Here, air dissolved in the water comes out in the form of bubbles. That means the bubble shows air is present. So air is present inside the water. All we know that air is present everywhere. Fifth question, why does a lump of cotton wool shrink in water? A cotton wool contains a lot of air. So, when it dipped in water, the air present in the wool replaced by less amount of water. Hence the cotton wool shrinks when it dipped in water. Sixth question, the layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. Seventh one, the component of air used by green plants to make their food is carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Eighth question, list 5 activities that are possible due to the presence of air. What are the different activities that are possible due to the presence of air? Yes, all living things, living beings used oxygen for respiration. Plants use carbon dioxide in the air for photosynthesis. Windmill rotate in the presence of air and generate electricity. Air help in the movement of sailing yacht, parachute, aeroplane, etc. Birds, insect or fly due to the presence of air. And air help in the dispersal of seeds and pollination. Air play important role in water cycle, etc. Last question. How do plants and animals help each other in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere? When we look into atmosphere, we can see a interdependence of plants and animals. All we know that all living things use oxygen for their respiration. During respiration, they intake oxygen and give out carbon dioxide gas. But plants during photosynthesis use this carbon dioxide gas, they consume this carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen gas. This oxygen gas is used by all other animals for their respiration. So, in this way we can see a interdependence of plants and animals in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. All exercise question answers are finished. Hope all you have understood all the question answers discussed here. We conclude today's session. I have attached exercise question answers, test paper, also provided a link related with this chapter. So we will meet in the next session. Children, take care. Thank you.